Hello friends, hello my beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel Spiritual Divine Vision. Today our topic is on depression. Why we get depression? Why we get depressed? Right now lockdown was going on. Right now it is continuously like 3-4 months many people are at home. So they got depressed because they have nothing to do. That is why they are depressed. So we have to overcome these depressions, anxiety, fears. Like Corona has spread a lot of things so that people are getting depressed. Why they are getting depressed? It is the reason behind that is we are not training our brains properly. We do have a lot of things like my last video I have done in Marathi actually, but today I'm doing it in English for everybody so that language problem should not be there. Depression is the problem right now going on, so everybody can listen my video and they can train their brains properly to overcome the anxiety, depression and all that things. The recent news was there like Sushant Roy has uh, he has committed to suicide, but this kind of thing, like you people should know whether you have name, fame, but if you don't have anyone to share anything, so you will get depressed. This kind of messages were there. People are spreading many messages of him. Instead of spreading such messages, one should understand why depression was there, why he was depressed. So today's my video is not about Sushant Roy, but today's my video is about the depression, why we are getting depressed, why people this generation, young generations are getting depressed immediately, why the need of somebody or some support is there. People are getting used to mobile very much. They are on mobile non-stop, they are like on mobile, so they are making themselves lonely because that mobile is the factor who is entertaining them daily. On daily basis they are on mobile and they are checking WhatsApp, they are checking messages, they are not calling people, not meeting people, not properly sharing their feelings and all. Chatting is not the media to share the feelings. Actually our occasions, why our celebrations or our traditions, what they told, why to meet people, meeting people, sharing your happiness, sharing your sadness is the overcoming aspect from your anxiety, fears, or you will get a guidance from them, right? So you don't need anyone to be happy. You should be happy on your own self. How you can do that? Why people are not happy right now? Even though they have fame and name, everything they have, but they are not happy. Why they are getting depressed? Only the thing is lockdown is there, Corona is there. Why they are why should they are depressed? There should not be like you should try to train your brain in such a way to adjust the atmosphere. Like for example, we can say example summer and winter, right? They are the seasons. Okay, summer goes, winter comes, winter goes, then seasons are coming, they are changing always. Summer goes with rain comes, then comes winter. It's like a cycle. Okay, it comes one by one, but nothing is permanent in this. So Bhagavad Gita says that you should learn from Bhagavad Gita, like uh, everything changes, right? So we have to adjust ourselves. Like for example, in Delhi, when winter comes, there is a lot of like बहुत ठंडा है. It's like बहुत ठंडी है, but people are not stopping their work. They are carrying sweaters, mufflers, everything, and they are going to offices. They are not stopping their work. Same in rainy season, same in summer season. So we should learn from rainy and summer season that we have to adjust ourselves to the nature. It's same like in Bhagavad Gita also. Krishna, being a mentor, he tells us, or he tells Arjuna, he guides Arjuna how to adjust his atmosphere. Even though people are jealous, people are giving some, they are fooling us, uh, they are insulting us. So you keep your mindset very calm, right? You should train your brain. Even though, like for example, if you want to go to the trip, right? So what, that day you wake up early in the morning, right? So if your goal is to wake up early in the morning and do jogging or do exercise, but that time what you'll do, you'll put an alarm. What alarm rings, then what you'll say, the first thought what is in your mind, चलो आज रहने देते बॉस, क्यों करना, कल कर लेते. So if you are keep reasoning yourself for आज नहीं कल करते हैं, next time, so time never comes, time will waste, you are wasting your time. So start training your brain. Instead of giving excuses, start train your brain. If you train your brain, if you tell your brain continuously in a proper way, there are many ways like meditation, there are books to train your brain properly, psychologically. So otherwise you can say you daily read Bhagavad Gita, one adhyay, you will get n number of solutions to your life. Actually, it is the way to tell the solutions to your life. So it's very much useful. So train your brain properly. Bhagavad Gita is a very good, you can say, let me be very clear, I am not being very religious, like I am not telling you any follow any religion. It's not a religious book, it's a book how to live your life. It is showing the way how to live your life. Okay, so it is just Krishna has said, and Krishna being a mentor, it is like a palette of Kurukshetra when Arjuna was confused. So that time it has been given to as a guidance to Arjuna by Krishna, how to choose, not to be confused. Okay, being how to empower yourself, how to choose your choices and how they are correct. Because many people, whether it is a man, woman, they are getting confused to be or not to be chosen or not. They are very much confused for their choices. So you empower yourself, empower your mind such a way that whatever thing you are doing, it is a correct way. Whenever you are not sure, so right now be sure on that, how to do, what to do and when to do. And if you are not sure about something, you should write positive negatives about them. You will yourself get the answer. You will not need anyone to tell you that this thing is correct or not. So empower yourself in such a way that whatever choices you have made, they are correct, they are not wrong. You will get success. Successful people have all these things. So you should have success. Now people who are successful or who are not getting success, what is the reason behind that? we can say people who are successful, they are also depressed, and people who are not successful, they are also depressed. So first, the people who are not successful, they why they are depressed? Because they are keep on trying, but they get failed. Why failure comes? Because they are not training their mind, training their brain. At least you make choices properly, correctly. How to make choices? Empower yourself so that you will make choices correctly and you will get a success. Clear? Now we will come to the successful people, why they are depressed. Successful people, they have a lot of distraction, like they get name, fame, then they have the success, so they become or they are not being you can say they are not being properly appreciated by someone, so they get depressed. यार मैं इतना सक्सेसफुल हूँ बट मुझे अप्रिशिएट ही नहीं करता कोई. और एल्स व्हाट हैपन्स इज, बहुत सक्सेस आने के कारण दे देयर डिस्ट्रैक्शन कम्स, दे डोंट कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन व्हाट दे वांट, what they want and how they want to do, how they are choosing their choices, that they get distracted. So whenever distraction is there, then you will get distracted from the success and you will get your goal not achieved. Then definitely there will be a depression. So people, I'll request you to train your mind, train your brains in such a way that how to be confident, how to empower yourself. Empowering yourself is the best way. How to do that? There are many techniques. If you want to learn any techniques, you can contact me. There are many techniques which I know, which I teach, which I have taught to many people. They have many there are many successful lives, and depression, anxiety is just smaller. So treat your problems, treat your things like smaller. Anything you treat, this corona also smaller. These media has done lot of foolish thing. They have spread the anxiety and fear such a way that people are just frightened to get out of their houses also. See, you have to take care about yourself. How to take care? There are methodologies, there are doctors, they have told you how to take care. Now, I have told get out of the house means that doesn't mean without any reason you should get out of the houses, right? The people who are working, they can get out the houses. The people who are not working, they can work from home in the houses properly. You should schedule yourself, train your brain how to live in such an atmosphere, how to change yourself in such an atmosphere, or how to mold yourself in such atmosphere. That is very much important, because if you will train your brain, you will be fine, you will be happy in this atmosphere. You will never be affected by corona or any other viruses. If upcoming viruses are many, China is telling you many viruses are coming, so you will spread, you will have very much spread of viruses. Never problem, never mind, don't mind yourself. You just start living your things as per your schedules, your needs, your choices. Empower your body, empower your immunity. In you try to be happy yourself, love yourself first, then nobody, I challenge you, nobody has the right to affect you. You are only person, you are affecting yourself and making others' life also in danger. So try to be happy, make others happy, make your world happy and corona free. And if you want any information, any queries, if you have, you can contact me. You can write a mail. There is my mail ID, so you can write a mail properly. I can definitely reply you. I'll be happy to help you out. I'll be happy to anyone can ask me any queries. If depression, anxiety is there, it's not a big problem. We can overcome it. We do have many techniques, healing techniques. I'm a Reiki grandmaster, so I can give you distance Reiki. There are many solutions other than distance Reiki also. I'm a certified counselor, so I can do your counseling also. In that case, anybody, if you can need my services, you can just contact me on my email ID. Just write your query, I'll give you the answer, and we can treat you properly. So I think depression, anxiety is not a big problem. Treat your problems very small, and I think our traditions have many more solutions for ourselves. So you can use our solutions. There are solutions available. There are people available. Try to talk to people. Try to have some guidance. If you don't know anything, you will have a guidance, and then your life will be like turning point in life. You should be spiritual in that case. Then you can have spiritual turning point. If you come to our spiritual divine vision, we turn your life spiritually. Thank you very much. If you like my channel, subscribe. Please share this information with everyone, because depression is right now the major problem because of the unemployment and other things. If unemployment is there, there is other solutions, or there are other solutions also. So you can be prepared to yourself how to go ahead, what to choose, what not to choose. If any guidance you require, please contact me. Like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you very much, and God bless you.